Want ChatGPT on your iPhone, but not sure which app is the real one? I'll show you exactly what to tap. Welcome to AI for your mom, where we make AI simple for everybody, everywhere, even your mom. Let's find ChatGPT on your iPhone together. First, unlock your iPhone and look for the App Store. The icon is blue with a white A on it. Tap that. At the bottom of the screen, tap Search. Then tap the search bar. Type OpenAI. That helps you find the official app and avoid confusing copycat apps. Now look for the app called ChatGPT. Before you download it, check the developer name. It should say OpenAI. That's the official one. The app icon usually looks like the OpenAI Not logo on a white background. Once you've found the right app, tap Get. Your phone may ask you to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. That's normal. Wait for the app to finish downloading. When it's done, tap Open. You can sign in or use the app without an account. Pick whichever option is easiest for you. Once you're inside the app, you'll see some conversation starters like, "Help me pick an outfit," and "Explain nostalgia to a kindergartner," and "Plan a trip." Below that is the chat box where you can type a message. You can ask ChatGPT almost anything. Let's try our first chat. Give me the top 5 breakfast places in Tucson, Arizona. And that's it. You now have ChatGPT on your iPhone. And if you want a beginner-friendly guide to AI, check out the links in the description.